Video I will tell you that why does Chrome keeps crashing. So if you are using Google Chrome on your Android phone or on your Mac, on your iPhone, and it automatically gets closed for no reason, then first fix that you can do is to check that whether there is any update of the Chrome app. So you will open up the Play Store if you are on Android, and open up the Mac Store if you are on iPhone, and search for Chrome here. And after opening up the Chrome here, if you see any kind of update option here, then you should update your Chrome application. Okay. And if the problem is still there, then you will open up the settings app, go to the apps and notifications, and then go open up the Chrome and clear the storage and clear the cache of your Chrome application, and it should fix the problem. And if the problem is still there, then just uninstall Chrome and reinstall Chrome, and it should fix the problem. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.